What's up guys, and the countdown has begun. We are just a couple of days away from the official announcement of the Galaxy S20 lineup along with the Galaxy Z Flip. We talked about the official press renders of the whole Galaxy S20 series, and now we have official press renders of the Galaxy Z Flip, completely revealing the whole design as well as revealing the official specs. On top of that, we have second Galaxy Unpacked event teaser for the S20 family and Galaxy Z Flip. It's looking really interesting. As always, Samsung has highlighted the camera module of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The second diagonal box is the teasing of the Galaxy Z Flip. As you guys already know, Samsung has made a very bold design change regarding the S20 family, and this is apparently the shape of the future. Now back to the Galaxy Z Flip, what you're looking right now is the official press render look of this phone, completely revealing every single detail. So up front, it's rocking a special punch hole 6.7-inch OLED display. Apparently Samsung is calling this as Infinity Flex screen. It can bend in the middle like a clamshell device. It's got slightly thicker bezels, of course, to protect that flexible display. But towards the bottom, you can see that we have bumpers. These bumpers are for extra protection. Samsung don't want any setbacks this time around, so they're making sure that this is completely ready for the market. Now this ultra thin glass that they're using still has a visible crease, but it's not going to be as visible like the Galaxy Fold, so still an improvement over that. We've got power and volume key towards the right hand side. The power key also has the fingerprint scanner in it, which is going to be like the Galaxy S10e, really fast and convenient. Now looking at the back of the phone, we have a very clean looking design, actually no logo whatsoever, just dual camera, LED flash, and then there's a color coordinated screen that will display information like time and battery percentage and maybe notifications. Now in the unfolded orientation, you can see there's actually no visible Samsung logo, but when you fold this phone, you can see a logo right there, and honestly it looks really good. Now as for the actual specs, the display is a 1080p OLED display. There's 22:9 aspect ratio. This is a very long display. The screen does support HDR10+. Under the hood, it's rocking Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chip, which makes me really happy because initially rumors said that we might see Snapdragon 710, but it's actually rocking Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is amazing. And with that, we're gonna see up to 8 gigs of RAM with a remarkable 256 gigabyte of internal memory. Now there are two important things about this phone is that it's not a top of the line Samsung device. I mean, it's pretty good with the specs, but it's not top of the line, so you're not gonna see the micro SD card support. There's no headphone jack obviously, and of course it's not gonna support 5G. Maybe in the future Samsung might launch a 5G version of this, but right now it's coming with 4G support only. The back cameras, we are getting a dual 12 megapixel camera combination. One of them is wide and the other one is ultra wide angle lens. The main sensor is f1.8 aperture, whereas the ultra wide angle lens is coming with f2.2 aperture, so you should be able to get decent camera performance from the back cameras. And of course the front is 10 megapixel. It's very similar to the S10 family, so you'll get 4K front video recording and pretty good selfie performance as well. Now for the battery, it's said to be 3300 mAh, which in my opinion is kind of low for a 6.7-inch display. Again, we'll see how this phone will perform in real life. Software wise, we're gonna see One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 on board. It is expected to get released on February 14th at a price of $1,400. Okay, that's kind of a shocking thing because we all expected the price to be under $1,000 according to a lot of rumors, but it turns out this phone is going to be costing above $1,000 but less than $1,500 range, so could be around $1,300 or $1,400. Again, at that price you can get S20 Ultra. It's going to be a hard sell. I mean, we're not sure about the pricing yet. Again, everything will be unveiled pretty soon. According to iCineverse, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will take 108 megapixel photos comfortably without any delay. The rumored starting price for the S20 Ultra is said to be $1,300. So guys, it's gonna be an expensive phone. I hope the S20 Ultra do justice to its price with its amazing features. So yeah, that's all we have on the latest Samsung news. The Galaxy Z Flip is looking pretty good. Again, it all comes down to the pricing of this phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.